a 12-year-old young person writing a letter which mother was crying and reading to the public after all this happened. I never get him back, she was saying. She wrote me this letter, Mom, you always protected me so that I don't go and join the protest march. And I was sitting in home and raging, very angry that I cannot go. Today, I'm going. I'm saying goodbye to you. I don't know whether I'll come back. If I don't come back, please forgive me. My friends are there. They are brave friends. I'm a brave person too. He went out.